So imagine you're walking into an hour-long meeting with nothing but your earbuds, no laptop, no phone, no notepad, and you're walking out with a full transcript, a summary, and a to-do list. That's what these do. There's one feature on this that really surprised me, and I'll get to that in a minute. So let's go over the VIAIM OpenNote. I'm gonna go over all the key features, show you the app, and how the recording and transcription works, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So the VIAIM OpenNote is an open ear earbud that doubles as an AI voice recorder and note taker. So this is really a two-in-one device, and it connects via Bluetooth, works with phones, laptops, and tablets, and uses a companion app called VIAIM to handle all the AI transcription and summary features. And it comes with 600 free transcription minutes per month. So let's do an unboxing of these so you can see what you get in the box and go over all the features and do a demo of the app and the transcription. Okay, so let's do an unboxing so you can see what you get. It's a really nice leathery box that you get. Presentation is really nice. Of course, have the earbuds here. So the case has this fox leather finish with a really clean design. Go ahead and open it up. This solid hinge to it, a light right here. It's nice that it has magnets when it opens and closes. And the case itself is about 12 to 14 millimeters thin, so it slips right into your pocket. So have a look at one of them here. So they are really flexible. Have this flexible titanium memory wire that hooks over your ear. You can see just how flexible this is. And I don't feel like it's gonna break at all when I'm flexing it. And this hooks over your ear really easily, just because of how flexible it is. So you can really just like stuff these in a pocket and just not worry about, if it's in your pocket, it's getting moved around, you don't feel like it's gonna break. And the build quality really is premium on this. And the materials just feel better than expected. And you have that fox leather on the outer part of the earbud right here. Get a closer look at that. Here you can see the leather. Earbud weighs around 10.5 grams, so they're really light. And they are a lot different than most earbuds. They are open ear, so they don't go inside your ear canal. They hover just off your ear, which means you can still hear everything around you. It does take a little getting used to, but it's actually really comfortable for long wearing sessions. Okay, then you just go right on in. And they're charging. All right, and you get your cable with it as well. Your USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. And of course you have the instruction manual. Okay, before we go over the features of these and go over the app, let's go over how to put these in your ear. Or around your ear. So we have the little flexible hook right here. So we're gonna have this black part be up and we're gonna put it on over our ear and then just pull down a little bit so it's nice and snug. So you see it's not gonna move at all, it's stuck in there, and it sits over the ear, again, not in the ear. Okay, and then the other ear, same thing. Pull it on over and move it down. And they work perfectly. Don't move at all. Okay, so now let's go over the features. So first we'll wanna install the app right here. Go ahead and open it. And this is the main screen that we see with our transcriptions. So let's just get a quick overview of the app first before we go into the different recording modes. So we'll first start with the OpenNote settings so we can see we are connected. And it's very easy to connect with your Bluetooth settings on your phone. And then you'll be asked to pair it on the app as well. And you'll want to pair by pressing the button on the back of the case right here. You want to hold this button and then you can pair with your Bluetooth settings on your phone, and then you could rename the Bluetooth connection. You can see the connection here. We also can adjust the EQ, which is really cool. So we have a custom EQ or do one of the different styles they have already preset, and we can adjust the volume here. We can also adjust the gestures. So the gestures that we have set up already are really good. So pinch once, you can hang up, and then without a call, you can pinch, play, pause your music, pinch twice, go to the next track, and that's on either earbud. And then the pinch and hold, that's where you can start and stop the recording. So you can also adjust those if you would like to. Then we have the voice, keep the voice off. So when wearing the earbuds, you can use the following voice commands. Just go ahead and turn that on. It'd be nice if it gave you a list of voice commands. When I first installed the app, it gave me the list, but right now it doesn't anymore. So it'd just be nice if that was always there. And we have the flash recording settings. And we'll talk about flash recording in a second here. We'll just keep these settings as they are default. as they work well. And then we have the find device, so you can easily find the earbuds if you lose them. It's a cool feature, so you can just play a ringtone on them. Then we have the earbud settings, so you can increase the volume in noisy environments. And then when recording starts, you can play a prompt tone. Okay, and then firmware. So when you first install the app, you'll want to update the firmware, the way you're getting the most out of your earbuds. And so those are the settings for the OpenNote. Now back to the main transcription screen here. So we can see we have all our recordings. So we have the welcome one, we'll just go into that. We can see the different settings that it has. So we have a little summary here and then a full summary of everything. So again, you're gonna be recording and every recording will get this transcription. We'll get a summary, it will get the full transcript broken down. And then you also get this mind map. So it's really cool, this little feature, having the mind map just to better visualize the meetings or whatever is being said in a transcription, just to visualize it a little bit better. So go back to the summary here, and at the very top, we can just play the recording as well. And then we can export the audio, export the transcription, export the summary, or export the mind map. So very flexible with what you can do. And then we press the three dots. We can translate the transcription and delete from here. Then at the bottom, we have templates. So we can add custom templates, so we can adjust how we want the summary to go based on exactly what it is that we're talking about, or what the meeting is about, or what you're hearing from the video, or anything that you're listening to with your earbuds. That just makes it a more useful summary for you. Okay, and then we can copy and then regenerate the summary also based on the transcript. We also have a chat feature. Click on the chat feature, then we can chat with our transcript, so we can ask it questions. Right now the chat is using Gemini 3 Flash, and we can choose between the GPT-5 Mini and Claude IQ 4.5 at this time. And I'm sure the company will update the models as more models get released. Okay, so we'll go back out, and then we also have a few options here. So we can swipe right and we can add to and delete the transcription. Add to, we'll add it to our space. So if we go down to the bottom, see there's an option for space, click space, and we can create different spaces. That way we can organize our transcriptions in specific spaces. So we can go back to recording, and we can add a recording right here and do some filtering based on our transcriptions that we have right here. In the next option here, this was the chatbot for the specific transcription that you wanted. And you can just chat with a specific one, or you can chat with all of them. So really handy that you can just kind of just go into the chatbot and get a specific information, not have to just sort through all the recordings. Okay, and then the me, this is where you'll see your usage, the transcription time. So I got 3 minutes out of 600 minutes for the month. Okay, so this top section here, here's where you can get support. And here's the general recording settings that you can adjust, as well as the interface right here. And you can also clear the cache. Okay, so let's go over the first recording method and what makes these earbuds great. And that is the local recording, the flash recording without your phone. So you can easily start a recording, just press the record, and you can do the live recording. Again, we'll cover the other options here. Let's just discuss the live recording. So when you press that, it'll start transcribing live in the app. But what if you don't have your phone on you and you want to start transcribing? It's very easy. All you have to do is just hold down on the earbuds, just pinch down and hold, and you'll hear the tone and it'll start transcribing. So I'll go ahead and play a video, and we can start doing the flash recording so you can see how that functions. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and play a video and then get close to my speaker so it can pick it up, and then we can see the transcription in progress.
Hopefully you guys see these are all really.
So we'll go ahead and hold down on the earbuds.
In less than 10 minutes for somewhere.
And there we can see at the bottom, it's starting to record. We'll go ahead and turn up the volume.
Okay, let's do it. So in a nutshell, our flow is going to be as follows. We will write a few bullet points into Claude Code to tell it what we want. Afterwards, we're going to use a skill created by a really cracked 16-year-old and shared on Twitter, which I'll run you guys through. Then we generate an exploded view or some sort of animated asset using a model called Kling 3.0. And then finally, you just integrate onto the site and push live.
Okay, and then we'll hold down on the earbuds again. That'll stop the recording. Okay, and then we can see at the top here, we get the flash recording ready to download. So it stores it on the device, on the actual earbuds. So that's really nice that we don't have to have our phone with us all the time, and we don't have to press the record button on our phone. We can just start them when we're ready, when we have our earbuds on. So we'll then do the flash recording ready to download, and we'll do download to phone, and we'll want to do all recordings at the bottom here. We can see it's downloading, and we can see it's right here at top. and then we can convert to text. It's uploading to the cloud, so give it a second. There we go, and then we can convert to text, and it's telling us how many minutes we have left, and then it'll take a minute here while it generates the text from the audio. Okay, and we get the same format. We have to-do items at the bottom, which is really cool. Deep insights, main topic and discussion, and the executive summary. And we can of course play back the audio up here, fast forward, rewind, and then we can also do the AI play, which just removes any silences that we have in the audio. And then we can adjust the playback speed as well, this right here. And then we have the same options up top, and we have the transcript. So that's everything that was said. Let me just have a look at it. Yeah, this is exactly what was said, so it picked it up perfectly. And then we can chat with it again. We can search in it. We can rewrite. If we didn't like the summary, maybe it missed something, we have it rewrite. So really cool that you can get to that just by clicking on your earbuds. Okay, we'll go back. Then we have our next option, and that is the live translation and recording. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that, and it's gonna start recording. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to play audio on my computer in Italian, and it's gonna transcribe it. So go ahead and do that now.
Organizzavano per loro dei banchetti. E questa era una cosa ovviamente impensabile nell'antica Roma. Quindi questo proprio per far capire quanto fosse importante.
And what's cool is as it gets the transcription, it's then just translating it for us in our earbuds. So we get the live translation. So there is around a 6 or so second delay, but it picks it up really clearly. You can see it being transcribed as well right here. So it's not that bad having a 6-second delay. And then we can of course adjust the languages right here, transcribe from, to, depending on our language. We can do the playback rate as well and see live text, copy the link for that and generate a QR code for it. So that's a really awesome sharing feature. And we can turn off the voice as well, and we'll go ahead and pause this. So it's a really cool transcription device. So it's really more than just, getting your meeting notes. You can do live translation as well. Okay, and then we'll just stop this one, and it'll be the same process. It'll start generating the summary, transcript, and mind map. So we'll let that go, and we'll do one more example here, plus the record on the bottom, and then we'll use the audio and video recording. So we can transcribe audio and video in real time. We'll press on this, and then it will go into a video on YouTube, keeping with the Italian theme. We'll do the real spaghetti carbonara. We'll go ahead and press play. So I'm hearing the audio for this video on my earbuds. And go back here, you can see it is transcribing. So we got that warning, but it's still transcribing perfectly. So let me go ahead and stop. And there you go. Everything is right here for you. In the last option, you can do the call recording. So you can transcribe calls in real time, including internet calls. So when you're on the phone, you just have these hooked up and you can start recording and it'll transcribe everything. So whether you're taking a video call from your phone or you're just using your phone like normal, you can get that recording into the app. So really comprehensive coverage with OpenNote earbuds. So one thing to note about the mic on these, there are 2 mics on them, and the mic array actually picks up clear voices from up to 7 meters away. So it works, across a boardroom or a conference table without any issues. So that's pretty impressive, for earbuds this small. Also with the translation, it supports 78 languages and 145 with dialects. So if you're watching a video in another language or having a conversation, it can overlay live bilingual subtitles and save the transcript as you saw. So in our test, the transcription was really solid. It almost did it perfectly. And the quality of the transcription, it'll be really dependent on where you are. So if it's really, noisy, transcription quality might be inconsistent. So it's always best to have a quiet room with clear speech. That's gonna give you the best results. But if you are in noisier environments, it doesn't, completely fall apart. It just is a little more inconsistent. Okay, let's talk about the battery life. So the battery situation is really nice here. You get up to 53 hours of total battery life with the case, and about 19 hours on a single charge based on what I've seen. So that means you can go a couple of days before even thinking about plugging it in. And if you're in a rush, 10 minutes of charging, gives you about 3 hours of playback, which is really convenient. Another great feature about these is these connect to 2 devices at once and auto switch between them. So you can toggle between Google Meet on your laptop and Spotify on your phone without disconnecting anything. And the audio itself uses 18 by 11 millimeter racetrack speakers with LHDC codec and 18 preset EQ profiles, as you saw. So the sound quality is really good for music and podcasts. It's not just good for recording. Okay, then privacy. So one thing that's worth mentioning, all recordings are encrypted with AES 256 and a TLS. So that means you have full control over your files, cloud backup, cross-device access, and the ability to permanently delete anything. There's no third-party sharing and no ads, which is really nice given that you're recording conversations. These could be really sensitive. Okay, so let me talk about what I like and what could be improved here. So the pros, the flash recording is really a standout feature here. The recording locally on the actual earbud without needing your phone is just incredibly convenient. The AI summaries and to-do lists actually work and save a ton of time. The open ear comfort is great for all day wear, especially if you wear glasses. And the battery life at 53 hours is great. Build quality is really premium. The case is nice, the materials, and just the overall design of them. One thing that could be improved is the transcription consistency. In ideal conditions, it's great. But again, in noisy environments, it's just a little inconsistent. I don't think it's a deal breaker because you're still getting the meat of everything that's being said. And with the AI summaries, these models are so smart now that they can really piece things together. So it really isn't that big of a deal, but it'd just be nice if it was more consistent in noisy environments. So who should get these? Really meeting heavy professionals. If you sit in back-to-back meetings all day and you're tired of scrambling to take notes, flash recording plus the AI summaries mean you put these in, hit record, and walk out with everything captured and organized. These are also great for field technicians and on-site workers. So if you have to remember a ton of information throughout the day, having everything recorded and transcribed means nothing falls through the cracks. It's also great for students, if you're juggling lectures and study sessions. The transcription and summary features make reviewing material so much easier. You can focus on listening instead of scribbling down notes. Also, this is great for multilingual workers. If you work across languages regularly, the real-time translation across 78 languages is a seriously useful feature for conversations, meetings, or even watching content. Now, who should not get these? If you're looking for the absolute best audio quality for music and don't care about the AI features, there are dedicated audiophile earbuds that sound better. And if you need perfectly reliable transcription for legal or medical recordings, you might want to test this thoroughly in your specific environment first. So in my opinion, the OpenNote earbuds are really a unique product. It's not just earbuds with a gimmick. The AI recording and transcription actually works and solves a real problem. The fact that one pair of earbuds replaces your Notepad, your voice recording app, and your meeting notes tool is really impressive. If you're someone who needs to capture and organize spoken information, whether that's meetings, lectures, conversations, or even videos you're watching, this is definitely worth checking out.